Oh, okay. Again, more meowing tonight?
Meow.
Okay.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
Wait, I actually need to. The nails are incredible.
How you doing tonight?
I'm good. How are you? Wait, yeah. Do you want to interview me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like, what will you be serving us tonight?
A martini.
No, I mean the outfit.
Oh, the outfit.
Yeah.
Mew Mew.
So, how many cats has there already been?
You're cat number 2. Show the teeth. How long did this take?
You know, we just did it in the car. It took about 20 minutes.
You look gorgeous. Are you gonna be uncomfortable inside? Be honest.
I probably will.
Are you
That's
gonna
okay,
eat
though.
dinner? I don't know how you're gonna eat food in your mouth.
I probably won't.
You'll be okay. I would give you like a loving tap on the back, but I don't want to ruin it.
Help me skip the line.
He's skipping the line, as he should.